in the early AM. Whew, that took forever. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel if you're brand new. My name is Hayden. It is the week. Adam is moving in this week, which means I have already done a couple of trips after I finish work. You never actually realize how much stuff you own until it's time to move, until it's time to pack up and move. I actually haven't had a lot of time this week to cull anything in my existing storage areas like the closet and all of that stuff. So I guess I better get started. But first I need to unload the first carload that I've brought back from Adam's place. As you can see, it is packed to the brim. We've got Adam's TV here, which is brand new and will be replacing my current TV. Yeah, time to get started. I mean, look at the size difference of Adam's TV that was just in his bedroom compared to mine. Like, oh, I don't even know where that one's gonna go yet. And we pick up the rest and Adam comes back here and that's it, he's moved. Kind of exciting, really. Neither do I. It has been a very long time since my house has looked like this. Here is a look at the house before I go back over. Look at my bedroom, or our bedroom now. Before I drive back to Adam's place. It's Saturday, so that means it's moving day. We go back, I have to go back there, half his stuff's already here. While Adam does his very last trip, you can see I'm currently in the spare bedroom. My task while he's away is to dismantle this bed, my spare bed. We're going to keep it, but put it in storage in the garage or the shed, and put his former bed in here. Because the bed frame, he wanted to keep his bed frame, it's got more storage underneath, but the mattress on this bed is a lot better. So I need to sort out this and all of this, as well as what you saw in the lounge room. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get it done, well, not the whole house, but at least this room in the 2, maybe 3 hours that he's gone, because he has to do one more trip, like I said, and then clean his old room and collect everything in the fridge. Well, wish me luck. I don't think I need to dismantle the entire bed, like every piece to come off. I think I just need to take the sides, the head and the base off, and then the slats obviously lift up. Because there are a whole bunch of other things that are screwed in, like side rails that the slats sit on. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that. Did not know that there was a spare charger in here plugged in. Well, there you go. Add it to the collection. Now, I'm not going to throw any of this stuff away because the bed is still in really good condition. It's only been actually slept in not even a handful of times. So as you can see, it's still very sturdy. It's proving to be a lot more difficult to dismantle than it was to assemble. Whew, that took forever. And there we have one task is complete. The spare bed that I used to have in here is completely taken apart and it's now neatly stacked in the storage cupboard. And it actually didn't take up that much space in there, which is good. It means that we still got a fair amount of space on both sides to store, as well as up top. It's all empty. So as you can see, completely clear, ready for Adam's less than attractive bed. So I've moved into the bedroom and I'm going through all of Adam's clothing. He has so many clothes, and most of these bags are jackets. Like jackets. There are so many of them. Why do you need so many jackets? Well, this will be the last time I come to Adam's place. As you can see, we are prepared to get everything that's left. into the cars and going. Round number 4. Adam's got number 5 in his car. This is hopefully all we need to actually move physically. Adam will obviously need to come back and then do cleaning. Where the heck do I start? So that's all Adam's clothes. I have yet to start culling. I have to go through all of this in my cupboard to make space for his clothing. Oh, seriously, Adam. Gross. So we've got Adam's side. I have never seen so many dress shirts from there all the way up to there, and then short sleeve versions. And then he's got all of those bloody jackets back there, and it's not even all of them. He's got like a whole bag there, and then all of this. This is all Adam's clothing. Then there's that bag. I think they're shoes. No, there's that bag, their shoes, and that bag left to go. My feet are sore. Here is my side in comparison. You can see I've still got a huge gap there. That's all of my hanging clothes. I've even moved this over to my area because I've got far less than what he has. Now, I didn't actually film I forgot to film unpacking the kitchen and unpacking the bathroom. By the time we got through the bedroom, the spare bedroom, and then the lounge room took the longest. We were buggered. We were just real ready to sit down, have a beer, have a meal, and just be done with it. So when we did get around to doing the kitchen the next day, it was the last thing on my mind to get the camera out. And then the last area that took a while to get done was the kitchen. Adam's got a lot more utensils than what I do, and it did take a lot of organizing this area out here. I used to keep Tupperware, no, I kept Tupperware there as well as there. But now, this is where it all lives, in an area that I never used. This entire space in this corner and then again in that corner remained empty for 5 years, and now there's actual stuff in there. We also have our donation train, I guess, that are going to be going to St. Vinny's or whatever organisation Adam wants it to go to, because he'll probably be the one doing it. I did complete the bathroom, all of our storage. He has a lot of lotions, but they're all in there. I do think that I'm going to need to cull a few of these things because you can't actually get to the back. This is the final room that we have left to complete. You can see the bed is assembled. Adam's got his wonderfully green sheets and what have you on there. But there's still a bunch more stuff to find space for, to get rid of, and all of that. We got the lounge room all pieced together. You can see me editing over there. Adam's ginormous TV dominates the entire vanity. We have actually, well, not really broken it in because he's watched it. He's been using it for a year or more now, but it definitely is a higher quality image to what I was using. We're obviously a week or two in the future as this goes up. Adam has been here for a while now, well, a week or two, and we're still finding our rhythm. But so far, it's been completely hiccup-free and a real joy to actually have him here every day and every night. Even if he does shift work, and 9 times out of 10, he's going to be coming home in the early AM. And there we have it. We have landed at the very end of Adam moving into my home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, but most importantly, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.